Hello, welcome to Umbrella Programming. Please do subscribe my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to remove elements from a list. We have some functions, list specified functions. So we are going to discuss about that. In my last video, I have discussed about um, append function, insert, and extend function. So please do check my previous video. I'll be giving you in my description box. Um, so in this video, I'm going to talk about how to remove elements from a list. We have some functions. First one is remove function. Second one is pop. Third one is pop with index position. We have to provide the index position. And fourth one is clear. If I wanted to remove a specified element, what does the remove method do is it will specify, it removes the specified element from the list. Here I have list is 10, 20, 30, 40 is my list. So if I wanted to remove, it removes the specified elements. L dot remove of, I wanted to remove 30. So now my output will be 10, 20, 40. Okay. If the see, I'm taking one more list 10, 20, 30, 10, 40, 30. Okay, this is one more list. So here I have removed the specified element 30. L dot remove of 30. So I removed the element from the list 10, 20, 40 is my output for this list. So let me check it out. L is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. So here L dot remove of print L. Okay. Now my output will be 10, 20, 40 is my output here. Remove method removes the element, removes the specified element from the list. What if the specified element is not there? So here 300 is not there in my list. If 300 is not there, if the specified element is not there in the list, then we are going to get value error. This is how. List dot remove x not found in list. So 300 is not there in our list. So if we're trying to print, we are going to get a value error. Next one is what if the specified element has occurred number of times? Like here my 30 has occurred at 0, 1, 2. First time it occurred here. Let me explain you here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 has occurred at second index position and fifth index position. So L1 dot remove of 30. When I'm saying like this, what happens is the first occurrence from left hand side to right hand side, what is there? The second index position 30 will be removed. So now my output will be 10, 20, 10, 40, 30 will be removed. Only the first occurrence will be removed from my list. Look at here. So the first occurrence here were 0, 1, 2 at second index position. So my output will be 10, 20, 40, 30, 30. This is how it works. What if I wanted to remove all the occurrences from my list? If I wanted to remove all the elements from my list, here I am going for infinite while loop. Infinite while loop, how can we stop the infinite while loop? When we use break statement. When we use break, then only the infinite loop will be stopped. The break we have to use the break statement perfectly. Okay. So now I'm taking if x in L is equals to what object I wanted to delete. Okay, 30. If x in L, then what happens? L dot remove. L dot remove of x. I wanted to remove the x value. Or else if it is not there, then what I wanted to do, I wanted to break. I wanted to use a break statement. So x is there. I wanted to remove all the 30s present in my list. My output should be 10, 20 and 40. So what happens? Infinite loop is running. Okay. If x in L. Okay. If x in L, then my output will be removed. Here 10, 20, 40. What if my specified element is not there? It simply returns nothing. Okay. What if the specified element is not present? It simply returns nothing. Okay. Because I have used break statement here. If conditions checks each and every element in the list. In list, x is in the list or not, it checks. If x is not in the list, it goes for else block and simply break we are using. That's why we are not getting any error in this case. In normal case, we will definitely get. Okay. Now L dot remove of 400. If I'm trying 4000, 400. If I'm trying to remove now we are going to get value error. Okay. So now we have another function called pop. L dot pop. Pop function always removes and returns the element from the end position. Okay. Here I don't want to take the repeated values. Show you because. Okay. So L dot remove pop function always removes the element at the end position. Okay. It removes and returns that element. It removes 300 and returns 300 here. Okay. I'm trying to print this again. Now 40 will be removed and 40 will be returned by pop method. Whatever element it is removed, it will return. Okay. Now 20. Now 10 I wanted to remove. Remove that element and returns that element. Okay. 10. Now what I have in my list is 10. So now I wanted to remove 10. So now my list is empty. Okay. Now my list is empty. After line number 11, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to delete. My list is empty. Still I'm trying to delete an element using pop function. Okay. Now what happens is index error will be pop from empty list. Okay. Index error pop from an empty list. This will be my output. Index error pop from empty list is my output. If the elements are present, what does pop method do? Pop method removes the element from the end of a list. Pop method removes elements present at last position and returns that element. If the list is not empty, it will remove. If the list is empty, Index error. Pop method returns index error. Pop method always removes the element present at last position and returns that element. Okay, this is the first version of pop, and we have second version of pop, that is pop with index position. It returns, this is also exactly same as pop function. It removes and returns the element present at a specified index position. So here this pop method also removes and returns L dot pop. Pop means in any, like in tuple, in set also we have pop function, in dictionary we have pop function. Everywhere pop function removes and returns the removed element. This should be noted. Here pop of index. So I'm trying to provide some index position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm trying to remove 30 here. So 30 is at what index position? 0, 1, 2. Second index position. Okay. It removes and returns that element. Print of L. It removes. Now my list will be 10, 20, 40, 300 is my list. It removed 30 and returned 30, and my output is 10, 20, 40, 300. Okay, if the specified index position is present, it will remove. What if the specified index position is not present? So 20 is there. Now I'm going to get index error. Now I'm going to get index error, pop index out of range. So this is how pop function, pop with arguments and without argument. With argument it takes index position. If the index position is present, it will remove from the list. If the specified index position is not there, it will remove. It will raise index error. Okay. Now I'm trying to go for one more method, clear. What does clear method do? Clear function, to clear all the elements present inside the list, we go for clear method. L dot clear. So now my output is empty list. It removes all the elements from the list. Okay, now my output is empty list. Okay, these are the methods in list to remove. Those are remove function, pop with the index position, clear. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you.